Did you know that the song Tennessee Whiskey by Chris Stapleton only has two chords? A major, which is the first chord in the key of A major, and B minor, which is the second chord in the key of A major. So in natural number system, it would be 1 and 2 minor. Let's hear it. So you can see that when I'm on the B minor chord, I'm kind of hammering on the rest of my fingers, which kind of goes from maybe like an A-ish kind of a shape to like a B minor-ish type of a shape. The other shape that I definitely hear in there is what I would call a 4/1 or a D major over A. So we've got A that's in the bass position, and the rest of this is just a D major triad. And the way that resolves down to A sounds really cool. The acoustic guitar part is something like this. And the way that you would write this on a chart is it would pretty much just all be 1, 1, 1, 1, and that embellishment, that suspension is kind of up to the subjective playing of whoever the player that played it. I don't know whether that was Chris or somebody else, but that's what it sounds like. Okay, the only other guitar part in this tune, as far as I can tell, is an electric guitar part that comes in at the intro and the choruses that is up here on the 5th and 7th frets with some more full bar chords and a more staccato rhythm. And again, that is the first and second chord in the key of A major. An A major chord and a B minor chord. So you can't beat a 2-chord song if you're a beginner guitar player, but there are some bar chords in there and just a little bit of kind of chord lick kind of things that you can practice. I think that you'll love it. Tennessee Whiskey by Chris Stapleton, and you are going to play it just great. I know it. See you next time.
GuitarThinker.com